You won't believe which animal was the first to orbit the Earth, and how it changed space travel forever. It was a dog named Laika, a Soviet space dog who paved the way for human spaceflight. Laika was launched into space on November 3, 1957, aboard the Sputnik 2 spacecraft, and her mission was to test the safety and feasibility of space travel for living organisms. This was a major breakthrough, because at that time, scientists were still unsure if living creatures could survive the harsh conditions of space, like extreme temperatures and intense radiation. Laika's mission was a one-way ticket, unfortunately. The technology at the time didn't allow for her to return safely to Earth. But her sacrifice was not in vain, because the data collected from her mission helped scientists to better understand the effects of space travel on living organisms. The Soviets were able to gather valuable information about the biological effects of space travel, such as weightlessness and the impact of cosmic radiation on the body. This knowledge was crucial in developing the technologies needed to support human spaceflight, like spacesuits and life support systems. The success of Laika's mission sparked a new era of animal spaceflight, with the United States and the Soviet Union launching numerous missions with animals on board, including mice, rats, and even monkeys. These missions helped to test the safety and reliability of spacecraft systems and paved the way for the first human spaceflight by Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin in 1961. The development of new technologies like advanced life support systems and sophisticated navigation systems was also driven by the need to support animal spaceflight, and these technologies have had a lasting impact on the field of space exploration. As we continue to push the boundaries of space travel, we owe a debt of gratitude to the animals that paved the way, like Laika and the many others that followed in her footsteps. These early animal spaceflight experiments may seem simple by today's standards, but they played a crucial role in helping us understand the effects of space travel on living organisms and how to mitigate those effects. For example, we learned that animals, just like humans, need protection from the harsh conditions of space, like extreme temperatures and radiation, which can cause damage to their cells and even lead to cancer. We also learned that animals, just like humans, need a reliable air supply and a way to manage waste in order to survive for extended periods in space. The development of advanced life support systems, which can recycle air and water and even grow food, was a major breakthrough, and it's now being used in space stations and other long-duration space missions. Similarly, the sophisticated navigation systems that were developed to track animals in space are now being used to navigate spacecraft and even self-driving cars. The impact of animal spaceflight on the development of new technologies is still being felt today, and it's an important reminder that even the most unlikely experiments can lead to major breakthroughs. As we look to the future of space exploration, it's clear that animals will continue to play an important role, whether it's in the development of new technologies or in the exploration of new worlds. From the Moon to Mars and beyond, the possibilities are endless, and it's exciting to think about what we might discover. If you want to learn more about the latest developments in space exploration and the role that animals are playing, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be exploring the latest advances in space technology and what they might mean for the future of space travel.